Today, I will mostly be drinking Gretna Green Old Smithy Marriage Anvil Ale, 5%. Let's have a look at some details. Gretna Green, since 1754, the home of love and romance, is the gateway to Scotland, synonymous with love and the birthplace of the Anvil wedding. The famous blacksmith shop lies in the heart of Gretna Green and has been part of our family business since 1885. A full-bodied pale ale with citrus and tropical notes and a long, clean finish. Ingredients: malted barley, hops and Scottish water from the Black Esk. Brewed by Borderlands Brewery, Langham, Dumfriesshire. Facebook, famous blacksmith shop. Instagram, Gretna Green 1754. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Nice and clear. Looks good for a pale, doesn't it? See what it's like. That's nice. That's refreshing. That's refreshing. It says there, full-bodied. Yep, I'd agree with that. I can never taste this citrus and tropical notes, but it has got a long, clean finish. Would I have it again? Definitely. This was a present. But certainly, if I see it for sale, I shall have some. Beautiful. Well done, Gretna Green, with your Anvil Ale. Every day's a bonus.